Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I'm standing next to our very first 2020 Nautique that came in. This particular one is the G23, and starting at the stern is my favorite upgrade for 2020, which is the rear-facing seats here. I happen to be standing next to our last 2019 G23. Good opportunity to show you the difference. You can see that this one has no rear-facing seats. That one has them molded in. This used to be available on the GS series only, but now available both on the GS and G series as a standard option. So let's go on board and walk through. At the beginning here, we have a flip-up lid that opens up to a cooler between the rear seats. Nice walkthrough. Bench seat on the rear that slides forward to be rear-facing. We've got our upgraded optional strapless board racks here that are also swing out on our big tower. Bimini up top with the surf pockets because the surfboards are a little bigger and don't always fit into the board racks. JL audio speakers give you tons of power in this boat. We've even got a subwoofer built in. Speakers all around, as you can see. Lots of seating throughout. We've got rating for 16 people on this boat. Bring all your friends for a day out on the water, and with this being a coastal edition, you can even take it out in the ocean. We have a lot of intercoastal waterways around here. A great place to surf, give you a little bit of break with the islands there to always find some calm water as well. This boat is very well equipped. We've got a insert for a sun pad here in the front, turns the whole bow into one large sun lounging area. Air dam can be inserted right there, so when you close the windshield for those cooler days, you've got full protection. Full audio controls underneath the glove box. We've got a flip up right here. I'll show you real quick. You can turn this into a rear facing as well, giving you room for your co-pilot. And then up under here, we've got our subwoofer and garbage can storage, which has a quick little access so that you don't need to lift it up to throw things away. As with all the G series, we've got our big touchscreen, which can also be controlled by your dial right there. That runs your NCRS tab, your NSF surf gate. Also a handy little spot to put the phone. Finally underneath, we've got another built-in cooler underneath the main hatch. And then under all these seats, you have lots of additional storage for all the things that you want to bring out for the day. If you guys have any questions about this boat, give me a call, text, or email. My information is listed right there on the bottom. Thanks for watching.